HYCHIKA sent me this rotary tool for my review, and this thing is awesome. I mean, we've all seen them, and we've all seen other types of brand, but for the type of investment that this is, I mean, it is fully packed. So this is the tool right here, and we're going to get to this in just a second because this tool is awesome. It is corded, of course, so you have to do to plug it into the wall. It's 180 watts in terms of power, which is unheard of. Really cool that you've got different speeds as well, but we're going to get into all of that. Let's look at this case because it does come with a really cool case, very practical to put everything in. And speaking of everything, it's not just the tool, it's everything else that comes with it. So of course you've got your manual, great. You've got handles if you want to actually have it on side handles so to have a better grip, no problems here. They even provide you with this little adapter that's for drilling holes. So you will be perfectly flat surface and be able to drill holes down there. It's really practical, and I'm surprised that they actually included with this. You've got your guard right here as well, so that's also a really nice thing to do, especially when you're doing some polishing. And check this out, they give you all of the heads that you may need and then some. You've got a lot of heads for drilling, for polishing, for engraving. Look at this, you can do a lot of engraving, and I'm using one right now, but like, look at that, drilling. All of this is here, and then these ones, these little polishing pads, which are really cool. So that is really neat that they actually give you a nice little box, all there, perfect, right? And check this out, it actually comes with an extension tool. And this tool is really cool because you are able, and I won't install it just now because I want to show you the actual machine and what it does. But this tool is fantastic because you'll be able to actually attach this end into it. And then you've got all of this, which will become the rotary tool right here. So you can put any type of end. Why would you need this? Well, if I've got awkward spots, I need to kind of like make sure that I'm able to get to the perfect spot. Maybe the machine itself can't get into that. This will make the job so much easier, and it comes with it. That's awesome. So let's get into the tool itself. This tool is really nicely built. I love the rubberized kind of exterior, really nice. Love the fact that it's got a locking mechanism right here. You press that locking mechanism, and right away, obviously you can see it rolling here. If I lock it down, then it's not going anywhere, and then I actually have the tool to make sure that I can unwind it and replace the head. I just put the head already here. I want to show you the next thing here. You've got 1 through 6. 6 gives you 35,000 RPMs. And check this out. That is fast. So, of course, you can do 1 if you're doing really minimal or detailed engraving. You might not need the full 35,000 RPMs. And that's what it is right there. So I'm going to show you a little bit of what that looks like. So obviously I've got a little bit of wood here, and check this out. So clearly this would be great. I'm going to turn it off. The 1 would be great if you're polishing. Polishing with that, it's not too hard, and you can actually buff perfectly. So I'm going to go and 6, 35,000. Clearly, usually you would have this secured probably with a vice grip to be able to do some engraving, some cutting, some detailed work. And let's try that now. Look at that. I can smell the wood burning. I love it. Now I feel like I'm actually doing some woodwork. You can see, look at that. So nicely polished, perfectly. Of course, like I said, if this was in a vice grip, I could have my handle. I could use 2 hands and kind of really drive into it. This thing is fantastic. Do not overlook HYCHIKA. They provided this for our review, and man, am I ever happy.